Waiting for percent. Oh, what's this? What's this?
We found a treasure.
What kind of treasure? Oh, what a battle of
We
camera.
found another one.
Okay.
Looking for treasure?
Treasure. We're
We
looking.
found something.
Okay. What kind of treasure is this? Oh no, it's not good.
Let's dig for treasure?
Oh no, it's a
Ano yan, Dad?
basag na.
Ay, wag mo itapon. Itapon mo dun sa basurahan.
It's a diamond.
It's
Nathan,
dangerous.
Look, I have two. I must posture. Yeah! Look. Yeah!
What's up?
Oh, no!
Yeah!
Okay, let's find a treasure, Doctor.
Okay, treasure.
Yeah, this is faster. It helps me.
Yes. There's a treasure. Oh, that's a treasure. Oh, look, what's a treasure, Nathan? Wow. There's a treasure.
I see it. I see it. It's a government.
Oh, okay. There's a treasure.
Ano yun, man? Ano lang ate? IKEA talaga yung ano, dapat.
Ha?
IKEA.
Oh.
Murahin eh.
Hey, Daddy, what's this up?
Okay, dig something. Okay. Come on, faster. Okay.
Wait, I found something.
Oh, what's that?
Bawal ako nun. Mga shell.
Oh, what's that?
Hello guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Kalilayan Cove Beach Resort sa Unisan, Quezon Province. Ayan guys, medyo hindi crowded dito. It's Good Friday but it's not crowded. Nandun yung crowded doon sa dulo pero dito kasi wala masyado, konti lang.
Siyempre kasi doon.
Parang Boracay. White sand siya guys. At saka, lahat buhangin. Yung iba kasi may mga mabato na ano na beach resort. Dito, all buhangin. At in white sand siya. Tsaka, blue yung ano, beach. Malinaw. Sobrang clear. Crystal clear yung water.
Mandig!
Yan guys, meron sila ditong gusto mo maglaro ng badminton, ng volleyball, ayan, meron sila dyang net. Ayan, kung naka-stay ka dito, nakabook ka, nagpapahiram sila ng volleyball at saka mga game boards, etc. Marami doon nakaano. Pag naka-stay ka dito, libre lang yung mga
How about you?
yung iba mga activities, games. Maliban siyempre kung magre-rent ka ng kayak, ayan yung kayak, 300, good for 2 person na daw at good for 1 hour.
How about this?
Tapos meron silang boat, ayan. Ayan yung kayak ko, kayaking.
Oh, there's more.
Good for 1 hour lang yan. Pwede kang makapag-kayak. Kaya lang yan guys, sa mga marunong lang yan. Sa mga hindi marunong, wag na lang.
There's so many treasures.
So dito lang kami sa at least itong resort ay front beach. Okay, dito na muna.
There's so many treasures.
Dito na muna guys. Bye!